Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Absolutely Sha. Welcome to my channel, and by the title, you know that I am going to do my Boxycharm the month of March unboxing. So if you are new to my channel, thank you for stopping by. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. If you are a returning subscriber, hey, thank you for coming back. And so I'm just gonna show you guys what cool things I got for the month of March and Boxycharm. If you are unfamiliar with Boxycharm, it's like a monthly makeup beauty subscription where you get 4 to 5 full-size items. I pay roughly $26 to $27 a month, and I like to just show you guys and share with you what I receive each and every month. So if you are ready to see what I got in my March box, then stay tuned. Okay, so I am opening up the box. This month it looks a little bit smaller to me than what it usually is. But so because it's March, this is the card that comes in. It's like a description card with all the items that's in it. Every month they typically do like a theme. So this month it says lucky. And then on the back is all the items that are in the box as well as what their retail value is. So I'll be referring to this card as I pull out each item and tell you what the retail value is, okay? So I'm gonna start with the very first thing that I see. So this is Billion Dollar Brows. It's a clear brow gel, which I've really been wanting to try one of these. So it's a clear brow gel. It says holds and control, and let's see if I can get this open. So it's vegan, cruelty free, and paraben free. And this is the Billion Dollar Clear Brow Gel. And then I'll open up, and this is what the applicator looks like. So yeah. I know I said this in another video, I'm going to do a Get Ready With Me Boxycharm edition where I'm just going to use Boxycharm items. I should do that. Okay, so the retail value of Billion Dollar brows is $18. So the retail value of this is $18. The next item that I'm going to take out is this. So this is a 111, which that's probably not how you say it, but it's 111 Skin Harley Satan London Celestial Black Diamond Couture Gel. So this is a couture gel. So it says for the directions, massage a pea-sized amount in a small circular motion onto expression lines. So that's like the folds in a crow's feet. Use daily in combination with 111 Skin Celestial Black Diamond Serum. So it's a couture gel. So let's take it out the packaging and have a look. Ooh, it just looks so sleek when it's in like an all black packaging, you know? But yeah, so this is it. And of course, I like applicator tips like this. So this is what it looks like. Wow. Okay, so yeah, I definitely have to use that and let you guys know what I think about it. So let's see what the retail value of this is. So the retail value of 111 Skin is $140. So the retail value of this is $140. Mind you, I pay like $26 or $27 a month. And this, I have an item in this box for $140. Amazing. Okay, so that was my second item. Moving on to my third item. This is a by Maven Beauty. It's a Rose and Water setting spray. Wow, I wanted one of these. Oh, and it's, yeah, makeup setting spray. I thought it said matte finish. That's why I was like, oh, but it's a makeup setting spray. And this is what it looks like. And you know, it's just a regular, you've seen one setting spray, you've seen them all, but this is a rose water one. I totally will use this when I do my Get Ready With Me video. Let's see what the retail value of this is. So the retail value of the rose water setting spray is $22. Retail value, $22. So this is my third item so far. And moving on to the fourth item. This is Cad Lip Oil. So I have a lip oil, and it's from Kab Cosmetics. And ooh, I love this applicator too. Oh my gosh. So it's called Juicy Melon Lip Oil. So look at that. Isn't that pretty? That's beautiful. And then I just want to show you the applicator tip because I'm like obsessed with these big applicator tips. You get more application on the lips, you know? Like, look at that. I love that. That's super pretty. Super pretty. Okay. So let's see what the retail value of this is. So this is a hydrating lip oil, and it's non-sticky, an instant burst of hydration that comes in 6 different tints. So this is one of the tints. Again, this one is called Juicy Melon, and the retail value of this is $20. $20 for this. So that was my fourth item, and my last and final item. This is my fifth item. This is a mascara called Damn Girl. I love that name. It says, damn girl, those lashes are thick. Love it. All right, so let me tell you, I'm obsessed with mascara. And Boxycharm, let me tell you, I want to say thank you so much for sending me that Lily Lashes mascara, and I don't know how many boxes ago, but I am so in love with it to where I just ordered another one of Lily Lashes mascara. It's amazing. Anyway, this is from Too Faced, and I can't wait to use this. And this is the applicator tip. I feel like certain applicators do a better job. And I feel like this one is really, it's gonna do what it's supposed to do. So yeah, this is by Too Faced. This is mascara, and let me tell you what the retail value of this is. So the retail value of Too Faced Damn Girl mascara is $26. So there you have it, guys. So I share with you all 5 of my items, and yeah, I think I got some pretty cool things this month. So if you are interested in Boxycharm and you want to try out different beauty brands, give them a try, see how you like them, then I think Boxycharm is the perfect service because they send you 4 to 5 full-size items. This box, I got 5 full-size items from some really cool brands, and I think it's just a fun way to test things out and see what you like and see what you don't like. So if you are interested, of course, I will leave my referral link down below in the description box. I thank you guys so much for stopping by, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my very next video. Bye.